Welcome everyone, here's how you add the home icon to your iPhone home screen. So the first way is you're going to slide down so you can see the search. You're going to search for home and you just want to drag and drop the home icon to your home screen. If that doesn't work, the next way is slide all the way across until you're brought to the app library. So slide left, search up for home, drag and drop. If that still doesn't work, open up the App Store, search up for home, and just make sure you actually have the home app downloaded. If you do have the home app downloaded and the previous methods are not working, then you're going to open up the settings app. You're then going to find general. You're then going to find transfer or reset. Then tap on reset and reset the home screen layout. This will reset your home screen layout, so you may need to re-add your widgets. However, what this will do is it will have the home app 100% show up back on the home screen. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.